as a Kenya Kwanza Assembly Caucus, County Assembly Caucus of Meru, we have considered the recent happenings in our county, and we have agreed to distance ourselves and withdraw our support that we are agreeing to give the Governor of Meru because of what has been happening, and we are really dissatisfied and disappointed in what has been happening. Therefore, because it is not our agenda or our mantra to see chaos, to see drama, to see shenanigans in this county, we have decided forthwith to withdraw the support within and outside the assembly that we have given our governor. Number 3, we have resolved to start a fresh impeachment motion to the Governor of Meru, one Honorable Bishop Kawira Mwangaza, and we have already signed, appended our signatures, the 27 of us who form or comprise the Kenya Kwanza caucus in the County Assembly, in preparation for a fresh impeachment motion after the one that we had last year was thwarted in the Senate. But we are really hopeful, and we have immense faith and trust that this process will see us, or it will culminate in the removal of Bishop Kawira Mwangaza from the helm of being the Governor of Meru. Number 4, we have also agreed as a caucus that we are going to support a bill in the Assembly that will entrench the Ward Equalization Fund in the laws of Meru, so that every ward will receive an equal amount of money regardless of whoever will be the Governor of Meru whoever will be the Governor of Meru in the future. Therefore, so that we eliminate the means that the governor has been using to discriminate people because maybe you are not supporting the governor, your ward receives less development. Therefore, this will be brought to the assembly, and we have agreed that we are going to fully support it. Number 5, we have agreed that our MCAs will be involved in every move that will be taken to compose the county government of Meru, because we are key stakeholders as elected members from our different wards. Therefore, every decision that will be made, these members will be consulted and will agree or either disagree to whatever decision that will be made in the near future and in the coming future.
Tunashukuru sana. Tunashukuru Governor Kawira Mwangaza kwa sababu aliongea yale inakuanga koro yake. Aliongea mbele ya Rais William Ruto, amemsikiliza siku 2 pale Nakuru na pale Lale. Ameongea mbele ya Deputy President, amemuelewa. Kenya yote imemuona. Kwa hivyo tunaamini hakuna siku itafika tulaumiwe kama MCAs wa Meru kwamba tunachukia Governor Kawira Mwangaza. Hakuna chuki. Governor Kawira Mwangaza mwenyewe ndiye ametangaza kwa matendo yake na kwa ile matamshi yake kwamba hii kiti ya governor ni kubwa sana. Kwa sababu ile matusi, ile lugha chafu haifai kiongozi wa hiyo cheo. Kwa hivyo yeye mwenyewe ndiye amekataa kazi na amesema ya kwamba tumsaidie aende retire ile ya mapema, na tumekubali kumpatia ile retire ya mapema, aende alitae, tupate kiongozi mwingine ule ataheshimu kila mtu, ule ataheshimu kazi ile inafaa kufanywa, kwa sababu kazi ni mingi, na kwa last 1 year hakuna ile kazi tumeona ambayo inafaa kuwa imefika kwa wananchi.